Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel where I like to make, create, and inspire fun art things with you. So as you can see here, I have some Dollar Tree items that I will be turning into cute Christmas decor for my Christmas in July mini series, which a lot of you said you loved in my first video I uploaded last week. If you missed out, be sure to check the link down below in the description box. So if you would like to come along, keep watching and let's art today. So moving on to the first project, I will be using these styrofoam pumpkins that Dollar Tree carries every fall season, and I will be turning them into large peppermint candies. So as you see here, I'm just removing the tags from the pumpkins, which is really easy because they are styrofoam, and I just noticed that this pumpkin came without a stem and this one did come with a stem, and it's just being held by a toothpick. The materials I will be using to turn this pumpkin into a peppermint is just some acrylic paints in the colors white and red. So I am taking that acrylic paint and I will be putting it all over the pumpkin. It took me 3 to 4 coats, I believe. And if you do have chalk paint, I suggest you use it because chalk paint is thicker. And with a little help of technology, I will be painting at the speed of light. So I do add a skewer into the pumpkin to help hold it in place while I get all around the pumpkin. But I suggest you leave one side to dry because acrylic paints dry fairly quickly, and then paint the other side. And now that the paint is dry and to my liking, I'm just showing you here that I marked out where my red lines are going to go for the peppermint. Once again, it's acrylic paint and it's called Bright Red. Now I know there's going to be some debates on how peppermint candy should look. I know a lot of people do a swirl, kind of like going from the middle all the way out to the outer edges for lollipops and stuff like that, but I'm trying to make it look like a true peppermint candy with the lines only on the outer edges. And if you can, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and click the bell notification so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. So after about 3 to 4 coats of the red paint, here's how they look. I think they're so adorable like this, but I wanted it to take it a step further. To give it that true candy look, I will be taking some of this plastic wrap and I will be wrapping the candies so it looks like it is real candy. I didn't measure, but I took 2 long pieces of the plastic wrap and laid it down, and then I put the candy, so 1 piece is for the bottom and 1 piece is for the top. And after I cut the pieces down, I'm pulling very tight and taut so that you can see the candy through the plastic. And then I will be taking the end pieces and twisting them to make it look like it's twisted. I did add some tape onto the twisted part so that it would stay in place. And here's how they look. I think they are so cute and adorable, and I just love how they look like life-size peppermint candies. Okay, moving on to our second project, I will be making over these candy dishes that I got at the Dollar Tree last year. I think they're adorable how they are, but I just want to transform them into something that I want to hang around my house. So I was showing you at the beginning, I will be covering the inside of the candy trays with some gesso paint to get rid of that shiny gloss that they have on the dish itself. I only use one coat of the gesso paint, and then I will be covering that with 1 or 2 coats of the red and white acrylic paint I showed you earlier. And if you like these types of projects, please hit that thumbs up button so it lets me know to keep on making them for you. And if you made it this far, please drop a comment down below and let me know what is your favorite Christmas candy. So yes, today's theme was peppermints, and I wanted to do something simple, something creative yet easy if you just have some paint laying around and a little bit of extra materials. And here's how they looked after they dried, and I will be taking this glossy Mod Podge and adding a coat over it to seal the paint. Here's how they turned out. I just love the gloss that the Mod Podge leaves to make it a little bit more shiny. And here are the final pieces. I think they're simple and easy. Anybody can do that. I hope this video helped inspire you to get creative and give you some ideas for the Christmas season coming up. If you can, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Be sure to click the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new content. Please, if you haven't already, check out my other Christmas in July series from last year. I will link it here on the top right hand corner. Be sure to click on those to see my previous creations. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.